This is Desmond. In this video, I wanted to explain on a basic level how labels work in scripts. There's the label panels. There's in and there's out. In and out. And the way these work, the way labels work, is what you can do in a task of a script. You can actually sort of link functions to a different function in a script without having them physically link. And or you can sort of daisy chain operations and have them loop and then have them go back and reorder the process. For example, right now we're looking at a script that I have for a bullet, and I have task run 1, which is for rotate, and right here I want the bullet to rotate, but it looks like I probably don't need it anymore because I have it right here. So we'll play around with it and take it out. Priority means to set the bullet higher in a z-axis above other things. Right here I have label number 0, out 0, in 0. So basically what that does is that it creates a loop right here. It creates a loop. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run it. Right now you see that it is spinning. Now it looks like I have this control task run off. I'm going to slide this off, bring this up. And you know what? I actually kind of want to put this control panel priority over here. So yeah, we'll do this. So now look what's going on. It's actually, it's taking so long to rotate. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to task 1 and I'm going to copy this. I'm going to copy this panel, go to main, and replace it right here. And let's see what happens. Oh, nice. So it spun for a little bit and then it stopped. So what I might have to do is put the control to none and see what happens. All right, nice. So now it is spinning, and I'm gonna also wait. Below. All right, cool. But now that it's it's kind of just stopping when it feels like it. Yep, and I put wait to none. It's still doing that. Yeah. So it looks like what I'm gonna have to do, I'm gonna have to just like bring it back to where it was right here. And then just let this loop sort of like by itself. Or one thing I can do is I can take out this control panel right here and let's see what happens. Oh, nice. So yeah, it is still spinning, I guess. Having this control panel for delay kind of made it stop. So yeah, that's how we got it spinning. And if I take it out, it will stop spinning. So yeah, one thing you can do with panels, like I said, you can kind of daisy chain things together. So why don't we play around with something and then have, let's see, why don't we turn this label to 1, and then I'm going to copy this, paste this over here, put it to 1. So yeah, that means that you're creating another link from 0 to 1 to whatever number. And it can go pretty high. I would say it can go to indefinite numbers if you can like put it all in one script. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have this change color, okay, and yeah, let's just do that and let's see what happens. Oh, now it stopped. So what I might need to do is, let's see, put this right here. Let's see what happens. Wow, so look, it actually changed it. Do I even need to have this on? Can I just put it to none and we'll have something happen? Nah, I need to have it to be this quadruple 9 right here. But yeah, look. But the thing is that it made the rotate stop. Reason why is because, look, they're in the same label number. Remember, you got to have the same label numbers. So one thing I can do is I can change that to 0 right here, and it'll loop back to out, back to in 1, out 1, in 0. Let's see what happens. Okay, it looks like it's still stuck over there. And it could just be coming from here. Yeah, that's pretty interesting. Or what we can do, we can just copy and then see what happens. Oh, nope. that doesn't work. Let's see. What we can do is, why don't we change it to a different color so we can put it over here and see what happens. But yeah, what I wanted is that I wanted to kind of like rotate back. Oh, nice. Oh, I took out the panel and now it's rotating. All right, cool. So yeah, that's what happens. I took that out and now it's working. Oh, cool. That's actually quite nice. Why don't we put another color and see what happens? Oh, wow. That's actually pretty cool. When we put another color in. Oh, that's sick. That is so sick. Let's put some frames on it. Wow. Yeah. I really like that. That's pretty cool. When we put another color just to kind of like mess around. Is it the same color? Wait. Let's give it some frames. Okay. It looks like it's not changing, but that's okay. But yeah, that's pretty cool. That is really, really cool. Why don't I show you I would say a more slightly advanced way to use the labels. So right here is a script for I would say, as you see for my character, you see this little like halo thing that's kind of spinning around. So what it is just a sprite, and I have it rotating, and then I have a red color. But when you graze, and we'll get into grazing in a different video, but whenever you graze, what happens is that it will change the color, and then it will trigger, you being able to use a special weapon. Yeah. So what's going on is that whenever I graze, it is increasing a gauge, and then I have that be, I would say, linked in the variable, and then I have a variable condition right here, and then whenever it reaches a certain color, or whenever it reaches a certain value, it changes color. And then right here, 600 value, when it goes to that, change color. This, change color. And then over here, task number 2, I have an attack shot of a text sprite to show on the screen. But look what's going on. I have out right here, in. So whenever it doesn't reach that value, okay, it'll just go right back to the out. And then when it does, it goes right here, and it'll wait, go right back to out, etc., etc. So it does this, goes to green because it's reached a certain value, and then you can do that. Here's another one right here is a boss. So I made like a boss, and I'm gonna show the boss right here. Put it to above screen. So yeah, as you see what's going on, yeah, they have a certain script that's going on. And let's see, what did I do in this one? Okay, oh wow, I have some interesting things over here. So yeah, we have like a condition, a parameter condition, and then having it point over here for a certain thing that happens. And then let's go to control task 1. So I have out right here, another out. So whenever something happens, it just keeps going back to this. I have something to where when it reaches a certain amount of health, it will go to another sequence. Let's see if I can get it. Oh, look. So yeah, it's changing sequences, I guess. Did I have anything else on here? I don't think I did. Yeah, I don't think I used too many different things. Let's see. Yeah, I don't think I did. But yeah, that's kind of the basics of using the labels. Is yeah, remember you can create things and then just kind of have things sort of daisy chain and link or loop, and then go right back to where you want it. But yeah, I hope that helps. That's just a basic, I would say, rundown of it. Maybe in a different video we'll get to a little more advanced stuff. But yeah, that's really it. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.